Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to stop ads on an Android phone. First of all, we open Settings. Then scroll down. Right here, you will not find the DNS option in Android because most of the Android devices have different settings for searching that. Click on the search icon and type DNS. Then click on Private DNS. Click on Private DNS again. Here, 3 options are available. We will click on the last one, Private DNS Provider Hostname, and then write dns.edgard.com. Then, wait for a few seconds, and Private DNS will be updated. Now, your Android phone is free from ads. That's all. The way to block ads from an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.